Hey everyone, and welcome! In this video, we're going to walk you through the super simple process of installing the CellKit plugin on your WordPress site. Whether you're rocking the free version from the WordPress repository or ready to unleash the power of CellKit Pro from your account dashboard, we've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have CellKit up and running, ready to optimize your e-commerce game. Let's dive in. Alright, we're here in the WordPress dashboard. Let's hover over the Plugins menu and install the CellKit plugin directly from the WordPress repository. Next, let's click on Add Plugin, which will take us to the plugin installation area. Okay. Now I'll click into the Search Plugins text box, where we'll type in the name of the plugin we're looking for. I'll type CellKit into the search box. Now I'll click Install Now to start installing CellKit. Okay, let's give it a second to finish installing. As you can see, the plugin has been installed successfully. Now that it's installed, I'll click Activate to activate the CellKit plugin and get it ready to go. Great! With CellKit activated, we can now start using its awesome features. Now let's open CellKit's dashboard to take a peek. Let's scroll down the page a bit. To download the Pro version, we can head over to getcellkit.com and grab the upgrade from there. Now, here in the getcellkit.com, let's click Sign In to access our account dashboard. From here, we'll head to the Downloads page. If you've got an active CellKit license in your account, you'll have access to the CellKit Pro plugin right here in your downloads list. So let's go ahead and click that download button for CellKit Pro and get that download started. Alright, now that we've downloaded CellKit Pro, let's head back to our WordPress website. Now it's time to install that CellKit Pro plugin we just downloaded. We'll need to scroll down this left sidebar menu a bit to find the Plugins option. Okay, now that the Plugins menu is in view, let's click on Add Plugin. Time to get CellKit Pro installed. This will take us to the plugin upload page, where we can upload the CellKit Pro version. To upload the CellKit Pro plugin, I'll click Choose File, which opens a file selection dialog. With CellKitPro.zip selected, let's open it to upload. Alright, let's get CellKit Pro installed. I'll click the Install Now button. With that done, let's activate CellKit Pro by clicking Activate Plugin. Great! CellKit Pro is now activated. Let's head over to the CellKit dashboard and take a look. And as you can see, the Pro badge now appears next to the CellKit logo. Alright, that wraps up our tutorial on installing the CellKit plugin. You should now be all set to start using CellKit to create awesome funnels and checkout experiences on your WooCommerce store. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more awesome WordPress tutorials. Happy selling!